And what I wanted to touch on is the inspection of your drone. And this will come in particularly useful, particularly if you're looking at commercial jobs, because the companies or the people that you are bidding for in contracts, etc., or quoting for, might be interested in knowing about your risk assessment and things along those lines, but then also how you conduct your inspections of your drones, either before you fly, maybe after you fly, or the inspections that you might do every sort of 2, 3, or 4 months. So what I hope in this video is that we will be able to go through all aspects of the inspection, and you can take bits away for your pre and post-flight inspections, but also really detail down areas of interest for your sort of 4-monthly or 6-monthly inspection. And therefore, hopefully, ensuring that you can sort of prevent any problems before they arise. Because quite often when there are accidents with drones, it can quite often be that it is due to pilot error. It is due to the fact that some blades haven't been checked or the batteries haven't been fitted properly. And I'll go into that in a bit. One of those sort of mysteries of the universe that I have just managed to decode, which I hope you'll find interesting. And then, or there might be just some other bits, you might have a loose sticker on the top that gets caught in the propeller blades, etc., while it's flying. So there's all sorts of things that you can do to mitigate and try and help ensure that you have a safe flight.